you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, it's your girl Jules here today. Today we're gonna do a video basically on our Black Friday, Cyber Monday Black Friday and Cyber Monday stuff that I ordered online. Literally, I ordered a lot and there's still stuff coming in, so I'm just gonna show you what I bought that's not here yet, that I'm still waiting for. But the stuff that I literally bought, I'm just gonna show you everything and tell you everything and probably give a review on it so you guys can, if you want to, pick it up. Also, everything will be in the description below if you want to go check it out. And yeah, let's start this video. So the first thing that I ordered online for Black Friday, because they did have a sale even though it was Black Friday, was Glacier. I got the cloud paint in this color Dusk because I literally saw this color and I was like, it's so beautiful. I got this one right here, Dusk. I'm in love with this color. I haven't used it because I have a little video coming out soon, hence why my hair is straight. It's a video that basically a lot of people have been doing lately, so watch out for that video. So basically I got the cloud paint, I did the Glacier zit stick. If you haven't checked out that video basically reviewing the zit stick, I'm literally in love with this because it zips and erases my freaking zits, and I even tried it on my brother. Amazing product. Got this. I wanted to test out the Glacier Milky Jelly Moisturizer Cleanser. This is a conditioning face wash. I literally tried it the first day when I was about to leave to work, and this works miracles. My skin felt very nice, so I'm probably going to do a separate review on this, but I bought this just for a sample and I probably am going to buy the bigger bottle probably next week. And that's it for Glacier stuff. I am going to buy more stuff for Glacier because they're amazing. I got a sample of the perfume and I'm just like, I need to get it. Like, I literally need to get that perfume. Now from Sephora. I literally always get the Play by Sephora packages from the Sephora collection stuff and all that. I didn't get the July one, so they had a July one on sale. So what did I do? I bought it. I bought the July one to have all the collection. So literally it comes in this little box right here. If you haven't seen it, it comes in this little box, Play by Sephora and everything, and then it says like little quotes on it, and it brings this little cute ass bag, which I mostly use for travel essentials. So these are really good and cute just for travel essentials you want to put in it. And it also came for like the July 50 thing, which I'm not going to use because this is July 1 and we're all in November. So it comes with that. But I like the products that are inside. It came with like a little sample of the Sugar Therapy lip balm, which I love these. I have like a bunch of them in like a drawer. And let's see, it came with the Texture Body and Hold, I think this is like a little cream thing. This is from Amazon Beauty. I love this. It came with like a perfume, which is so small it really doesn't fit in here. So let me see if I got it. No, I have it somewhere. Where is it? It's so small, like it literally won't, like, listen, it won't fit in there. Like I try to put it inside, it just slips off. But this one smells so good that I probably am gonna buy the bigger piece. It came with the sample of the Rainforest Sea Deep Dive Makeup Remover Cleanser, which I have tried this before and I feel like it smells good, but it doesn't take that much of makeup. But probably I use it wrong, like I always use my products wrong. Also I got the Whip Argan Oil Face Butter. This has been amazing. Probably I'm gonna buy the bigger piece to it, and the other piece is basically the Tarte Party blush, which I have like 4 of them, and this is like my go-to like blush. I love this blush. I literally love it. I don't know, Tarte has been like my favorite so far. But yeah, that's what I got. It was literally $10, and these are mostly around $40 to $50, I believe. If I'm correct, I'll probably just put it the regular price there. Like I said, it comes in a little bag where you can use for travel essentials and just zip, and that's it. I love this. OD. So the next thing I got was on last Sunday. I went to Lush because I did need to restock on my Lush product for my body, and I got this bar, the Milky Bar. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Like, I already used it. As you can tell, like the top of the milk thing is like the glitter, it's almost like it's gone. I tried it. Oh my god, it makes my skin's very smooth, and it smells so nice. I do have the glitter on me because of it, but I don't really care. That's shiny and shine bright like diamond if you want. But this smells so freaking good. Like, it's so good. And I also, you know, had to get the Butter Bear jelly, shower jelly. It's cute, it smells good. I tried it today, which today's Sunday, and it's so, like, it's so smooth on your skin. It makes your skin like so nice. I put this in refrigerators at times because I need it to be, you know, like rock, so I can have that jelly effect when I put it in the water. The only thing is my little bear head just popped off. I'll buy another one, to be honest. But I love this product. Like, this is a to-die product. This product is amazing. Lush products are like the most amazing thing ever that I have ever tried. And I only try Lush products because they're organic. They're they're fighting animal testing. They're vegan and self-preservative. And sometimes you can actually make this stuff in your kitchen. So I'd rather just get it from Lush. Lush. This is like what, $8? I think $6 around there. They're very cheap. So I might as well just go to Lush and buy it and, you know, help fight animal testing. The next thing that I got was from Forever 21 because, you know, I needed to buy something from my store. Forever 21 and Sephora are like my homes. Like, Sephora, Forever 21, please sponsor me because I'm in your store 24/7, and like my points in Sephora are a lot. I'm literally a VIP Rouge, so I buy a lot of stuff from Sephora. So Sephora and Forever 21, please sponsor me because I be in there wasting my money in your beautiful, amazing products. But I needed a coat. Like, I really needed a coat because I only had a jean jacket and stuff and a windbreaker, and it was getting a little bit too cold. I don't get cold, but it's too cold. So I decided to get a coat, and I came upon this Levi coat on Forever 21 because, you know, Forever 21 is the shit. And I got this red and white and navy blue jacket. This shit is like freaking light as hell. Like, I thought it would be heavy. This shit is light and it's so cute. This was it's gonna be about $100. You know, plus taxes was gonna be like $105. But with the sale, I got it for $68. So that was a steal. And I did not know Forever 21 like sells Levi stuff. I've seen that they sell different stuff from different companies, which thumbs up for you guys. Especially now they got the home decors. I'm about to get some home decor too. You know I am. But I got this jacket and oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to wear it on Tuesday. Because I'm just like that. I like to wear my stuff on Tuesday. So I have that. Ah! It fell. We're just gonna put it right over here in my desk. But yeah, I got that. It's really warm. I wore it with the sweater and it was like extremely warm. So I'm gonna be warm this summer. Wow, I said summer. That's how much I want summer to come back. This winter, even though I don't like summer. I really don't like summer. I like spring and autumn and fall. Mostly, I don't like winter like that. It's just too much for me. Like, too much. But yeah guys, if you want to see these products, I will be in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out. Also, links in the description below for affiliation links, so you can get discounts and stuff, and you know, try and help you guys out with shopping. So I also do have merch, so you can go in the description below, get your merch. It ends December 22nd, where you could get a free discount for 20% and free shipping if you want, you know, whichever one you want. Everything will be in the description below. And yeah, cop yourself some merch, because I'm gonna open a brand, like a big store for you guys to like get stuff, so I can do it as cheap as I want, because I love cheap stuff, but I love good quality cheap stuff. I'm not gonna hit you guys with expensive stuff, because that's not me. I hate expensive stuff. As long as it's like $50 and below, I am fine with it. So that's what I'm gonna give you guys, but I want to give you good quality stuff. So go cop yourself some merch, like get yourself, treat yourself in some nice ass shit. And yeah, oh, I gotta go get the post notification shout out winner, so I'll be right back. So post notification shout out goes to Samantha Candace. I literally put her channel right over here. Go to her channel, subscribe to her channel, comment that you came from my channel. And yeah, if you guys want to win a post notification shout out, all you have to do is hit that bell button, subscribe, and comment anything you want below and say you're done, and be active so I can actually pick a winner for you guys. And I do this every Tuesdays and Saturdays. Sundays are basically just vlog days, so I don't do those shout outs, but I do Tuesdays and Saturdays at 6 p.m. You guys will get your shout out, and I always contact the winner so they can check out themselves and the shout out. So that's all you gotta do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, and also if you want to check more videos out, hello, iCard will show you all the videos. Previous videos will be right here also, so check them out. And yeah, subscribe, because what are you doing? You know damn well you're gonna come back to my video, so you might as well just subscribe and hit that button so you know when I post videos, and hit that bell button so you know when I come through with the videos, because I will always come through with the videos. But yeah guys, I see you next time, and